Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, could we really be alone in this vast universe? This question has intrigued and puzzled humans for centuries. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and technology, this question remains at the forefront of our cosmic curiosity. The field of astrobiology, the science of understanding life in the universe, has seen remarkable strides since the 70s. With the discovery of exoplanets, planets beyond our solar system, and extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments, our comprehension of where life could potentially exist has broadened. We're now using cutting-edge instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope to study these exoplanets and search for chemical signatures of life. And the quest doesn't stop there. Future telescopes like the Extremely Large Telescope and the Habitable Worlds Observatory aim to investigate Earth-like planets for signs of life. This quest is not without its challenges. The complexity of different planetary environments poses difficulties in interpreting results. Yet, the search for biosignatures such as water, methane, and carbon dioxide continues unabated. The recent discovery of dimethyl sulfide on an exoplanet underscores the intricacies of identifying potential biosignatures and the need for comprehensive analysis. As we delve into the mysteries of the cosmos, we must first understand the scientific theories and evidence that guide our quest. Let's explore the pillars of our search for extraterrestrial life, the scientific theories, and the evidence we have gathered so far. First off, we delve into the Fermi paradox and the Drake equation, named after physicist Enrico Fermi. The Fermi paradox grapples with the contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and humanity's lack of contact with or evidence for such civilizations. On the other side of the coin, the Drake equation, developed by astronomer Frank Drake, not as a means to quantify the number of civilizations, but intended to stimulate scientific dialogue at the first scientific meeting on the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. It's a probabilistic argument used to estimate the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. From theories, we move to tangible evidence. The discovery of exoplanets and extremophile organisms has significantly broadened our perspective on where life could possibly exist. Exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, some of which reside in the habitable zone of their stars, could potentially harbor life. Extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments, have shown us that life as we know it can exist in conditions far removed from those on Earth. To aid in our cosmic quest, scientists employ advanced tools like the James Webb Space Telescope. This marvel of technology allows us to study exoplanets in detail and search for chemical signatures of life. By analyzing the light from these distant worlds, we can identify the presence of potential biosignatures such as water, methane, and carbon dioxide, key ingredients for life as we understand it. While the science propels our understanding forward, it's also important to debunk some of the myths that surround this topic. Aliens and UFOs often make for sensational headlines, but what are the facts? Let's start with a common misconception. Aliens are green, with oversized heads and eyes that could make a puppy jealous. But when we talk about extraterrestrial life, we're not necessarily envisioning little green men. We're considering life in all its potential forms, even microscopic ones. The search for extraterrestrial life is a search for biosignatures, signs of life that might not be as dramatic as a spaceship landing in your backyard. Speaking of spaceships, another myth we often encounter is that UFO sightings are proof of alien life. In reality, UFO simply stands for Unidentified Flying Object. It's a broad term used to describe anything in the sky that we can't immediately identify. Many UFOs turn out to be weather phenomena, experimental aircraft, or even misidentified stars and planets. The truth is, the search for extraterrestrial life is more methodical and less sensational than popular culture might have you believe. It involves complex instruments, like the James Webb Space Telescope, and intricate methods like machine learning models. Scientists are focusing on identifying habitable planets around M-dwarf stars, studying exoplanets for chemical signatures of life, and exploring the complexities of different planetary environments. Finding a planet with water, methane, and carbon dioxide doesn't necessarily mean we've found aliens. These are merely biosignatures, potential signs of life. The presence of these elements underscores the complexities of identifying potential biosignatures and the need for comprehensive analysis. Algorithmic techniques are being explored to aid in distinguishing between life and non-life, offering new avenues for research in astrobiology. So, while we haven't found ET just yet, the search for extraterrestrial life is ongoing and continually evolving. We are not searching for flying saucers, but for subtle signs of life's existence elsewhere in the universe. With the myths addressed, we can now ponder the ethical considerations of discovering alien life. Discovering alien life could be a game changer, but have we considered the ethical implications? Let's dive into that. Unveiling the existence of extraterrestrial life would not only be a monumental scientific achievement, but would also bring forth a plethora of ethical considerations. The potential discovery of alien life forms, whether microbial or intelligent, raises questions about our responsibilities towards these entities and their ecosystems. Consider this: what if we stumble upon a planet teeming with life, but it's not life as we know it? It's not carbon-based, but something entirely different. Would we have the right to interfere, study, or even exploit these life forms, given our track record on Earth? The answer isn't clear-cut and would require an extensive dialogue among scientists, ethicists, philosophers, and indeed, all of humanity. Now let's think about the reaction of humanity to such a discovery. The revelation of extraterrestrial life would undoubtedly send shockwaves through our societies. It could challenge our beliefs, our place in the universe, and our understanding of life itself. And then there's the potential for panic. If we discovered intelligent life that's technologically advanced, would we fear an invasion, or would we embrace the possibility of interstellar diplomacy? Furthermore, we'd need to consider the psychological impact. How would we deal with the knowledge that we are not alone in the universe? The answer is, we simply don't know. It could lead to a profound sense of unity, realizing that we are all Earthlings in a vast cosmos. Or it could deepen divides as we grapple with the implications. Lastly, there's the issue of communication. If we did encounter intelligent extraterrestrial life, how would we communicate? What ethical guidelines would we need to establish to ensure respectful and peaceful interactions? As we grapple with these ethical considerations, let's take a moment to summarize what we've discussed. Our journey through the cosmos has taken us across scientific theories, evidence, myths, and ethical dilemmas. We've traversed the vast expanse of the universe, navigating through a sea of stars and galaxies, seeking answers to one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Our quest has led us to delve into the intricacies of scientific theories and evidence, exploring the possibilities of extraterrestrial life. We've examined the Fermi paradox and the Drake equation, pondering why, if the universe is so vast and old, we haven't yet detected signs of life. We've also addressed common misconceptions about aliens and UFOs, underscoring the scientific rigor that goes into the search for extraterrestrial life. We've touched upon the ethical implications of discovering alien life, considering how such a revelation might impact humanity. Would we rejoice in the knowledge that we're not alone? Or would we fear the unknown? The field of astrobiology has made significant strides, with the discovery of exoplanets and the ongoing search for biosignatures such as water, methane, and carbon dioxide. New tools like the James Webb Space Telescope and future projects like the Extremely Large Telescope and Habitable Worlds Observatory promise to further expand our understanding of potential habitats for life. Yet the complexity of different planetary environments and the challenge of interpreting results remind us that the search for life beyond Earth is a daunting endeavor. Recent discoveries, like the detection of dimethyl sulfide on an exoplanet, underscore the intricacies of identifying potential biosignatures, highlighting the need for comprehensive analysis and sophisticated algorithmic techniques. Our cosmic journey may be far from over, but the path we've tread has enriched our understanding and sparked our curiosity. As we gaze at the night sky, we're reminded of our place in the universe and the mysteries that remain. As we conclude our journey, we encourage you to ponder the possibilities of extraterrestrial life. Imagine the thrill of discovery, the awe of encountering life forms beyond our planet, and the profound implications such a finding would have on our understanding of life itself. We may not have all the answers yet, but isn't it fascinating to think about the possibilities? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Before we sign off, a big thank you to all the scientists and researchers who are expanding our understanding of the universe. Their relentless pursuit of knowledge and truth is what makes videos like this possible. We extend our gratitude to the teams responsible for the James Webb Space Telescope and the upcoming Extremely Large Telescope and Habitable Worlds Observatory. Their contributions are not just groundbreaking, but universe-breaking, opening up new avenues of research and understanding. We also acknowledge the tireless work of astrobiologists, astronomers, and all those who dare to ask the question, are we alone? From the detection of intriguing biosignatures, like dimethyl sulfide on exoplanets, to the development of algorithmic techniques distinguishing between life and non-life, these are the real heroes of our story. Lastly, we thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Your curiosity fuels our passion for exploring these complex topics. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Keep looking up, keep wondering, and remember, we are all made of star stuff.